Hello everybody, Rick and Bonnie here, and we are cooking lunch, and we've got some green beans in the skillet, zucchini and carrots in that skillet, and broccoli in that skillet. So we are a cast iron people. You want to say hello?
Hello.
Hello. And we picked up something at Whole Foods Market. Hold on. This is soy nuggets. Let's see. General Tso soy nuggets. These are really good. These are vegan, taste like chicken, got good texture. We're going to have pickles, and right there is sauerkraut. Let me get over here. Sauerkraut. So we've got sauerkraut ready for gut health. And let's see. And I got some kombucha. Hold on. Kombucha. Lenny Boy, we got this at Whole Foods Market. That's also for probiotic live cultures to fix my gut. And so green beans and broccoli and zucchini and carrot. We're keeping it plant-based here, and we're working for our gut. We're keep getting it low calorie density and healthy, and it's going to be good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it.